How to increase followers on Instagram without login. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to increase followers on Instagram without login. To start, open your Instagram application. In here, select your profile on the bottom right. Select the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. Then on the pop-up, select QR code. Now, Instagram will provide a QR code. Copy the link this time. Then close Instagram. In here, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, search for Google. Select the link that says google.com. In here, search for EasySMM Shop. Then select the link that says easysmm.shop. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. You should be here. Now scroll down. In here, select the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Then under Services, select Instagram Services. Now, when you scroll down, you will see a lot of options that says the number of followers with their corresponding price. Select one, then select the button that says Buy Now. In here, you just need to input your Instagram link and then your email as well. Input your payment method, and once done, pay the price accordingly. Proceed to checkout, and that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one, so please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.